What's up, YouTube? Got some new for the BMW. Has to do with this rear tail section here. As you see, right here, it's kind of scratched right here. I guess from getting on and off the bike. I don't know if I did it or the bike came like that, but I noticed it when I was washing it off. And it's kind of stripped right here. And also when I was messing around with this, putting this tail tidy kit on because my lights came damaged, these no longer clip on back here. Right here, this no longer clips on back here. And the same with this one. This one's a little bit more sturdy than the other one, but this one's definitely gone. So you need to replace that. And if we look over here, we got something for it. So I'm gonna unbox this stuff here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got to replace the stock stuff. All right, let's go. Look what we have here. All right, so this is the bottom piece that connects to the tail fairing. Right here, I ordered this from a place called Carbon Fiber Racing. This is no sponsorship, I paid for it, my own money. Like I said, the place is Carbon Fiber Racing. Go look it up and see what they got. But yeah, I have some pieces on my Street Fighter from there, so ordered this first. I figured since those clips aren't working, but I did realize that, you know, it's not actually the bottom piece that's not allowing it to clip on, it's actually the top. So we got a top piece here. There we go. This is from Ilmberger Carbon. Right here, you guys can see. Ordered it straight from the manufacturer out of Germany. They come from where they manufacture these at. And so, but the thing I was looking for was these two side pieces. But the thing about this one is that it's all included as one whole piece. And look at the quality of it. Look at that. And that's the top piece right here. And so I no longer need those clips anymore. Great quality. And it wasn't cheap, but the quality is A1, definitely. Look at that. The weave on that. Not bad. Once again, Ilmberger Carbon. It came in pretty quick. Like 4 days from Germany. And so the weave matches, although it's two different companies. It's pretty much the same weave. Once again, this one is Carbon Fiber Racing, US company. And this is Ilmberger Carbon, German company. So that's everything I need to get this installed on the bike. So I'm gonna set you guys up, get this installed, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so first thing you wanna do, move your seat. So, bolt back there is T25. Right there, remove that. Set this to the side here. These are the big ones for T25. This one's a T15. T25, T15. So I'm gonna remove. Looks like I gotta remove this one here, this one here, this one here, and here. And I'll remove these pieces and see. But I should be able to slide it off once I remove these on underneath here. And I'm gonna remove these underneath here. This one there. This one right here. Same two on the side, on the other side. So I'm gonna remove all these, and then we'll get to put on a new one. Okay, I've removed all those bolts, and I got my key. Unplug this. Take this piece off. Set this right over here. Just for now. Remove these two side pieces, here and here. You do that by the T25 that goes there, and right there, right there. So remove those two. I'm gonna remove, so there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T25 bolts remove all those, and this should be loose enough for me to pull this all off in one section. Okay guys, I just have to loosen up my toe tidy kit, and this piece pretty much fell right down. See that little clip there? This just goes in there like that, and that's how it slides in. Just like that, it's just in there like that, and you screw it all back in. Here's the top. All right, so it's gonna do the same thing but in reverse. So we're gonna put the bottom on first, and then put the top on, and we should be good to go. All right, here's how it's supposed to sit right here. It's like a little mock-up, right there like that. There, and the top fits right in. The only thing I lose my my blue pull-up button for my key, for the keyhole there. I lose that, and I also lose the stickers, but we'll get on that in a minute when after I install this. All right, let's get this on there. Okay guys, got all the screws in. There. Here. Right down there. There. Those ones deep in here you don't use because you can't get to them, obviously. These two, now this hole is too wide, so I'm going to put a washer on both sides to make it fit properly, because we have this issue here. Little gap. It's talking. So other than that, got it on. Now I just put the seat back on, clean it up. Alright guys, it's been a few weeks, and as you see we have stickers. Still a full carbon fiber piece, but we have stickers. These are aftermarket stickers. As you see, they're kind of cheap. Colors are a little off. A little bit, not really that noticeable. But which one do you like better? You like it without the stickers or with the stickers? As you guys know, or may not know, the stock bike comes, these are stickers. These aren't. The stock rear tail section they're not painted on, they're not cleared over anyway, they're stickers. Whereas like, no, the tank, this is painted over, this is glossed over. As you see, this is painted, this is stickers, all up through the front, and all down here are stickers. So, what do you think? Yay or nay? And this piece, I like it. I'll rock it like this for a little bit with the stickers on there, and then if I get around to getting actual BMW stickers, then I'll put those on, replace them. So, and I think I might keep this painted black versus getting carbon fiber. I don't know, I may change my mind later on. Here we go. This is what it looks like. All right. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.